वेलकम बैक गाइस, तुम सभी का स्वागत है एक और नए ब्रांड न्यू एपिसोड में। आज हम स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं पोकेमॉन जीनोवर्स। एक बहुत पॉपुलर गेम है आज के टाइम में। हम स्टार्ट करेंगे या क्लासिक नो मॉडर्न मोड। काफ़ी अच्छे ग्राफिक्स। वाओ, आई कांट वेट एनी लॉन्गर। सॉरी सर, प्लीज टेल मी, I have a great news for you. Follow me, come on. Wow, क्या graphics है यार। Here we are. Let's play a game. Could you guess the sex of your baby? Okay. काफी अच्छा भाई। Yeah, of course boy. Okay, congratulations sir. वजह मतलब सही है। Okay. काफी creative है, मतलब अलग है। I will leave you alone for a bite. Clover, how did you feel? Look at the okay. Dear, what do we call him? I want to. I'm sure you will give lovely name. Okay. Yeah, King. This is the name I've. Yeah. Ah. How do you? Okay. King. It sounds fantastic. I knew you. You would let note down. Ah. Yeah. Time passed and the king grew, spending days in joyful family. 5 years later, nice, okay. King, get up. Mom, and I need to talk to you. We have decided it's time to show you some of the world out there. So today we are going to take tour of the lower range. Okay, come on kids, let's go. Be careful. What's a beautiful day? It's fresh air and cheerful for me. Come on, let's go again. I'm going to show you around the ranch. Wow, क्या गेम है यार। Nice graphics. Come this way. Our first stop will be found. Nice. Oh, see those Pokemon racing in the field over there. They are cold every time and always producing us delicious Nemo milk. In the evening, however, we close them in the bar to keep it safe. I want to show you something else. Come on, let's follow me. The water of this pond are so clear they put your mind as essay or it's better now. Better, right? Come on. There is one last thing you need to see. Do you see this little memorial cake? It was ejected in the honor of Meyer Soul Gun. Nice. ये बहुत अच्छी टाइपिंग है, ड्रैगन है, ग्रास एंड फिल, बट आई थिंक आई शुड गो विथ फिश आउट ओनली बिकॉज इसका ये साउंड टाइपिंग कुछ अलग है, मतलब कहीं ना कहीं फाइव टाइप्स आ गया, अगर तुमको बहुत काम भी आते हैं ऐसा नहीं, वन ऑफ द बेस्ट टाइपिंग है, तो या आई विल गो विथ फिश आउट बिकॉज ऑफ साउंड टाइप, इट्स यूनिक, या yeah, I want. All right, I will pick it. Hey you, hand off those Pokeball. Tyrantrum. Tyrantrum. I was just. It was just a nightmare. Hmm. Tree. इतना cute है ना, मतलब maybe it's better to go out there. चलो भाई, ये क्या भाई, Switch, brand new Nintendo Switch, wow. Trish out Pokeball, okay. ये किस चीज़ का पोस्टर है भाई? You are really you are finally wake up boy. Sleepy boy, sorry. मतलब happy birthday king. Too bad that your dad is not here to see how you so much grown up. You know he always abroad or for walk. Darling, what's wrong? You seems upset. You told your mom about the nightmare. Well, that time has come. Come sit with me. It's probably not to be better day, but I think you are old enough to for this story now. What you told me, it's not a dream, not just a dream. 11 years ago, your father decided to bring you outside our ranch. Was pretty against and that, and at the same time, so worried about you too. Dad was with you, the you thought, so that embraced me. However, that day, no one came up back. Days after, Nana, Nana Flo knocked the door in the middle of the night. What irrelevant finding you at the front of the door. You were unconscious and had a Pokeball with you, but your father was not there. I, I've seen him since that day. I'm sorry I've waited so long to tell you about this. After these your lies. मतलब भाई यार, इतने साल से मतलब उसके डैड का उससे मतलब छुपाया सच। आई गेस बात सही है यार। Darling, what are you out of your mind? How are you thinking so much thing? You're not just ready to look out of your father yet. You're still a child. We are working on it. And Elster, ये कौन है भाई? It is not just easy for us adult either. Don't instinct king. There is no way the world changing in your mind. If I were to lose you to my only child I see. Go to your room now. Oh, it's in a picture with mom and dad. True. Okay. Hey, it seems to shout up to something. Okay, got it. It's suggesting you to jump out of the window. Okay. That's the shout Pokeball. You better to take it. Phew, three Pokeball are fallen. चलो भाई. Okay. तो भाई आई थिंक पहले एक काम करते हैं. वहाँ एक पोकेबॉल दिखी थी ग्रेवी यार्ड के पास. बॉल ले लेते हैं भाई. या पोशन. ओके. Hey King, where are you running? Oh. Looks at that. Your mommy finally lets you go home. She probably realized that. Mush. Okay. ठीक है. Well, you are about to start your journey. That make that will make you run. Okay. As you can see, the grass here is taller than usual. That's where the wild Pokemon live. I can't. Okay, ठीक है. Wow. Okay, ठीक है. Wow, detail. Oh, fish out. पहले नंबर. Okay. ये तो चलो. अब देखो कहाँ चलना है. Where are you going? Oh my. Do you really want to run off without saying words? What a childish behavior. I know you miss your dad. Don't you think I feel same thing? It's not easy to realize the child as your own. Do you really think you are a new baby like you could than more than two adults? You don't even think imagine how dangerous is the world is out there. So Trishout agree with you. I had a it's had to be happen. Okay, prove me towards it. Okay, in Pokemon battle. Oh, मतलब अगर हम जीत गए तो हमें मॉम जाने देंगी. नाइस. What's happening? You, you challenged by mom. Nice. Jigglypuff. एम्बर, नाइस। चलो भाई क्रिटिकल हिट। ओके राइजिंग स्टार, आई कैन सी डिटरमाइंड शाइनिंग इन योर आइज। चलो भाई मॉम मान के मतलब। चलो, सो आई वॉज किडिंग, आई कांट इवन चेंज योर माइंड सन, हाउ am I supposed to find a missing man? King, I've been the determination in your eyes. Okay, चलो भाई। Maybe Nana Flora is right. I can't clip my child wings. I had no rights to keep you from away from. Okay, ठीक है। चलो भाई। Okay, darling. I think you should leave the nest, go and mature. It is, if this is what you want, you just go and embark on this great adventure through Edward region. Okay. But remember, I will always hear. Okay. Alright. This is the whole thing almost free. Okay. Okay. बर्थडे प्रेजेंट में हमें शूज मिले। ओके कम ऑन, ठीक है भाई। ओके ठीक है, नेक्स्ट सिटी में जाना। ठीक है, बेस्ट ऑफ लक ऑफ यू, आई लव यू। चलो भाई, चलो आज। ओके ओके चलो मतलब चलो ठीक है। अब हम आज के लिए बस इतना ही। तो नेक्स्ट एपिसोड अब देखते हैं क्या करना है नेक्स्ट एपिसोड में। तो अगर तुमने यहाँ तक देखा तो लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब करना, ठीक है। और थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग, बाय, टेक केयर एंड सी यू।